there, stay there. Otherwise you scare them away.
Oh, I see.
That's
Okay.
why I come here when it's quiet. Otherwise you scare them away.
Oh, okay.
People, the kids playing around.
Right.
And the dog. They're very scared.
What is that? Is that bird feed?
Huh?
Is it bird feed? Is that bird feed?
No, that's for the ducks.
Oh, okay.
That's wheat.
Wheat. Oh, I see. Okay.
No rice.
No rice. I guess they know you. The ducks know you because they all started running towards you.
I've been for many years.
Oh, is that right?
Twice a week.
Oh, okay.
On winter, no summer.
Okay.
There's nothing to eat in winter.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Don't fear. Sometimes I say,
Because as soon as they saw you, they came running this way. You were wondering where they were going.
oh.
And the ducks, they started running all the way from there to come here.
As soon as they saw me with the white bag,
Yeah,
they know
that's
there's a
really
food for
nice.
them.
They know you now. Wow.
You see, there is no many. See on the water?
Yeah.
They are not very, very hungry because they got the nest and they lay the eggs. In 2 months' time, they got the baby. You know?
Oh, the little ducklings,
So
yeah.
you don't see very many. Yeah, they are on the bush, hiding on the nest.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
they are on the bush. There. These are very scary, you know.
Yeah. Oh, like a mom and dad? It's like they're all synchronized. Did I have a bird na mawang kaya? Or the duck na? Like a mawang kaya. Wow.
Supposed to become tomorrow,
Oh, okay.
but because you got a snow tonight
Yeah.
and tomorrow, so
So there won't be anything left there.
that's right. So I come to today earlier. At least the stomach full.
It's full.
They're okay then.
They'll finish this by today?
Huh?
This will get finished by today?
Oh, all's done.
Yeah,
Oh,
all finished, right?
you wait